Let's say you want to subtract binary 111 from 1010. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. We're going to the neighbor one step to the left and gonna take this one. But what we're getting is actually not 1, but 2. 2 minus 1, that's 1. What used to be 1 is now 0. So yet again we go one step to the left to borrow 1. But this time around our neighbor hasn't got anything to give us. We have to go to the closest neighbor that has 1. We're going to take it and give 2 to the neighbor on the right. But out of 2, he's only gonna keep 1, and we'll give 1 away to the neighbor on its right. But again, instead of 1, that neighbor is going to receive 2. So now 2 minus 1 is 1. And here we are left with 1 out of 2 because we gave 1 away earlier, so 1 minus 1 is 0. As a result, we have binary 11, which is equal to 3. But why do we get 2 every time we borrow 1? Because each one further to the left carries twice as much value as the one before it. Think decimal for a second. 10 is 10 times higher than 1. 100 is 10 times higher than 10. And 1000 is 10 times higher than 100. You want to subtract 52 from 120. First digit represents least value. If we borrow 1 from the neighbor one step to the left, we'll actually get 10 times more. So we are borrowing 1 from 2, getting 10 in return. 10 minus 2 is 8. Next, we cannot subtract 5 from 1. We're gonna take 1 from the neighbor. And again, we're getting 10 in return, because 100 can hold 10 tenths. Now, 11 minus 5 is equal 6. Back to binary. In binary, each one further to the left will hold twice as much as the previous one. 10 is double the size of 1. 100 is double the size of 10. 1000 is double the size of 100. And so on.